Today, I'm going to show you a super effective way to fix YouTube stuttering in Chrome. And don't worry, if you use Edge, Brave, or Vivaldi, the steps are exactly the same. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to enjoy smooth, uninterrupted streaming without those annoying pauses or buffering. If YouTube has been acting up, this quick fix might be just what you need. Alright, let's jump right in. We're going to use Chrome for this demonstration, but if you're on Edge, Brave, or Vivaldi, you can follow these exact same steps. The browsers are built on similar technology, so the process is nearly identical. First, open up your browser, Chrome in our case. Now, at the very top where you usually type website addresses, you're going to enter a special command, Chrome//flags. This isn't a regular website, so don't worry if it looks a bit strange when the page loads. You're now in Chrome's experimental settings area. These flags are hidden options that let you tweak the browser in ways you won't find in the regular settings menu. And while it's pretty safe to change the flag we're looking for today, it's always good practice to only touch what you need and, of course, follow along carefully. Now, in the search bar on this flags page, type in the word quick. That's Q-U-I-C. This will filter the list and help you quickly locate the option we need. What you're looking for is something called Experimental Quick Protocol. QIC is a relatively new internet protocol designed to make connections faster, but sometimes it can interact poorly with streaming sites like YouTube, causing the video to stutter or freeze. So, disabling it has helped many users restore smooth playback. Once you find Experimental Quick Protocol in the list, it's probably set to default or enabled. What you want to do now is click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Disabled. Don't worry if this part takes you a second. The flags page can look a bit busy, but as long as you type quick correctly, the protocol should pop right up. After you've set it to Disabled, look for the button to relaunch the browser. Chrome, as well as other browsers like Edge and Brave, will usually show a big blue Relaunch button at the bottom right. Go ahead and click that. This restarts your browser quickly and applies the change. No need to save anything manually. Once the browser reopens, head back to YouTube and try playing a few videos. With the quick protocol disabled, stuttering issues are often resolved. Play a couple of clips, maybe one in HD, and see if the problem is gone. If you're still experiencing issues, don't panic. There are other potential fixes, but this tweak covers one of the most common root causes for stuttering on Chromium-based browsers. Just a quick reminder, this method works the same way in Microsoft Edge, Brave, and Vivaldi. So if you're using any of those browsers, feel free to follow these instructions step by step. It's a little adjustment that can make a big difference in your day-to-day YouTube viewing. And that's all there is to it. If this fix helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. If you have any questions or the stuttering still won't go away, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.